Welcome students. In this video we can see about research problem. The most difficult phase of a research study is selecting a research problem. We can see the details. A research problem is a statement about an area of concern, a condition to be improved, a difficulty to be eliminated, or a troubling question that exists in scholarly literature, in theory, or in practice that points to be needed for meaningful understanding and deliberate investigation. So, a research problem is a statement that we are made from a problem that need a meaningful understanding and deliberate investigation. Sources of research problem: previous research, popular concern, empirical interest, practical needs, political concerns, priorities, interested in an untested theory, interest of a professional organization, existing literature, social concerns, popular issues, personal characteristics, and brainstormings. These are the sources for a research problem. Criteria for selecting a research problem: originality, neither general nor specific; significance, solvability, feasibility, and interesting, and experience and creativity of the researcher. How to write a research problem? There are mainly 4 steps for writing a research problem. First one is put the problem in context. That is what we already know we should write. And second one is describe the precise issues that the research will address. That is what do we need to know. That is what we are trying to find out. And third is show the relevance of the problem. Why do we need to know it, or why we are interested in this problem? And the last step is set the objectives of the research. That is what will you do to find out. So the steps included to write a research problem is: first we write what do we already know, next what do we need to know, next why do we need to know it, and last is what will you do to find out it. Next we can see the forms of research problems. Research problems are of 2 forms. First one is the declarative form of statement, and second one is the interrogative form of statement. What is a declarative form of statement? In this statement we are declaring something. For example, a study to assess the effect of relaxation on anxiety and dyspnea in patients with COPD. This is a research problem. In this research problem we are declaring that there is some effect on the some effect for relaxation on anxiety and dyspnea of patients with COPD. That is, we are declaring that. And in an interrogative type of research problem, we are posing some questions. We are posing some questions on the research problem. That is, in this sentence, a study to assess the factors that influence the adaptation of adolescents with diabetes mellitus. So, in this research problem, we are trying to find the factors. So, the difference that we feel between these 2 research problems are: in the first one, we already know that there is some influence. That is, this relaxation techniques have some influence on anxiety and dyspnea of patients with COPD. But in the second sentence, we doesn't know the factors, but we are trying to find which all are the factors that influence the adaptation of adolescent with diabetes. Next we can see the elements of a research problem. A research problem has 3 elements. First one is variable, next is population, and testability. What is a variable? These variables are some factors that varies in a research problem. We can see an example: a study to assess the effect of relaxation on anxiety and dyspnea in patients with COPD. In this research problem, the variables are anxiety and dyspnea. These are the factors that varies. And population is the group on which we are conducting the research study. In this problem, the group is, that is population, is patients with COPD. And the third element of a research is testability, whether we can test the problem, that is a study to assess the effect of relaxation on anxiety and dyspnea in patients with COPD. In this problem, we are trying to test the effect of relaxation, that is we are trying to test the effect of relaxation on anxiety and dyspnea. So we can test it, we can use some questionnaires, or by assessment we can test these variables. So the three main factors or elements of a research problem are variable, population and testability. So in this class we have seen about research problem and various aspects related to research problem. So try to follow the coming classes also. Thank you.